Who in the heck is Dr. Ann? So I am a physician, I'm an MD, and I'm a physician that specifically specializes in wellness education. So my whole focus as a physician is teaching people what they can do through diet and lifestyle to be as healthy as possible, right? I knew from the age of 4 that I wanted to be a doctor. I'm from this ridiculously long lineage, heritage of physicians and scientists in my family. Grandfathers, great-grandfathers, great-great-great-grandfathers, fathers, sister, my husband, cousins, children, right? They're about, over 6 or 7 generations, about 23 members of my family, if you include my mom's side and my father's side, that went to medical school and that are clinicians. So I'm convinced that health and medicine are literally a part of my DNA. And when I was a teenager, knowing that I was going to have this plan to be a doctor, I became passionately interested in nutrition. And I think I was so interested in it because I realized, oh my gosh, this is something that I can do and I can feel it and I can see the changes in my own body. And of course, I was reading enough science even then to see that that was the case. And I ended up studying nutrition in college, knowing I wanted to go to medical school. If you study what you love, you're always going to make super great grades. And anyway, so I got my undergraduate degree in food science and human nutrition. Then I went on to medical school, and to my shock and my surprise, I ended up just doing ridiculously well in medical school. I was not anticipating this, but I ended up graduating as the valedictorian of my class. I received almost every academic honor that they give at my particular medical school. And I'm sharing this with you, not that I'm trying to toot my horn, but because I want to convey to you that I am a credentialed expert. I know what I'm talking about. And I've devoted, essentially the last 25 years just studying nutrition and lifestyle and how it impacts our health, okay? There's so many, quackos now, that influencers that people are listening to from social media that speak with such authority, that speak with such conviction, like they are truly experts, and they are not. And for those of us that really are the experts and the experts, it makes us crazy. So I want you to have the confidence and the comfort that you can trust what I'm telling you. It is evidence-based. The only way Dr. Ann rolls is through that science, right? Evidence-based, the best science, right? Okay. Now, after I went to medical school, the world was my oyster, and I ended up, not going to tell you that story, but I ended up in primary care, and I fell in love with it. And I had a bread and butter, very robust, very successful primary care practice, and I did that for about 20 years. And as I evolved in my practice, it became very, very clear to me, and we had the science flooding us, telling us this too, that most all the things I was seeing in my clinical practice could be prevented through diet and lifestyle. And remember, I had that passionate interest in those things, particularly the nutrition piece. And I noticed when I talked to my patients about it, they loved it. They were just like all ears and like, they loved it. And I also noticed that when I did share those things with them, it would empower them, and they'd come back and they'd say, oh my gosh, Dr. Ann, I started doing the exercise regimen, or started eating these foods you were telling me, and I just can't believe what it's done for me. Anyway, so I saw an opportunity, and I took this massive leap of faith, and I walked away from that very, very, successful, thriving clinical practice to devote myself to wellness education. And that was 23, 24 years ago, and boy, what a ride, a joyful, amazing, crazy ride it has been. In that time, I've used every possible channel I could to get the message out. I used to have a recurrent dream where I am on a rooftop, and I have a huge megaphone that reaches everyone in the world, and I am just screaming out all these things that I know that people could easily do that could be transformative for how they feel and whether or not they're going to die, in a month or 10 years or anyway. And so what did I do in those 23 years? I wrote 6 books. Several of them are best-selling, award-winning. I've delivered hundreds of speeches on stages. I'm a professional motivational speaker. I've done it all over the country. I've even gone out of the country doing my speaking. I've been quoted and featured in numerous media outlets, including the Dr. Oz Show, Oprah and Friends Radio, Time Magazine, U.S. News World Report, Prevention, and on and on and on, many others. I did radio very regularly in the Midwest and the Southeast for years. Love radio. Anyway, so I used every possible channel I could to preach the gospel of healthy living through nutrition and lifestyle, because I know what it can do for people, right?